Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're ready for another exciting adventure. Today I'm super excited to take you on a fascinating journey inside your brain. It's a world full of wonders and mysteries. Yep, you heard that right. We're going to explore the very organ that defines who you are. We're diving deep into the amazing organ that makes everything you do possible. From your thoughts to your movements, it's all controlled by this incredible structure. So buckle up and let's get started. This is going to be a thrilling ride. First up, let's talk about the cerebrum. It's the largest part of your brain and plays a crucial role in your daily life. This is the largest part of your brain, and it's responsible for all the higher brain functions like thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. Imagine all the complex tasks you perform every day, all thanks to the cerebrum. Imagine it as the CEO of your brain, calling all the shots. It's the decision maker, the planner, and the problem solver. The cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres, left and right. Each hemisphere has its own unique functions. The left side is all about logic, like math and science, while the right side handles creativity, like art and music. Pretty cool, huh? It's like having two specialized teams working together. Next, we have the cerebellum. Though smaller, it's equally important. This little guy sits at the back of your head and takes care of motor control. It ensures that your movements are smooth and coordinated. So every move you make, from picking up a pencil to dancing like nobody's watching, is orchestrated by the cerebellum. It's like your brain's own personal dance instructor. It fine-tunes your movements to perfection. Imagine having a dance instructor guiding your every step, ensuring you never miss a beat. Now let's move down to the brainstem. This part is often overlooked, but is vital for survival. This part might be small, but it's mighty important. It acts as a bridge between your brain and spinal cord. The brainstem connects your brain to your spinal cord and controls all the automatic functions that keep you alive, like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. Without it, you wouldn't be able to perform these essential functions. Yep, it's the unsung hero working behind the scenes 24/7. It never takes a break, ensuring you stay alive and well. All right, now let's talk about the limbic system. This is where your emotions come to life. This is the emotional center of your brain. It's responsible for how you feel and react to different situations. It includes structures like the amygdala, which processes emotions like fear and pleasure, and the hippocampus, which helps you form and store memories. These parts work together to create your emotional experiences. Got that unforgettable moment from your last vacation? Or that time you felt pure joy? Thank your hippocampus for that. It's the keeper of your memories, ensuring you can recall those special moments. And lastly, we can't forget the thalamus and hypothalamus. These parts are small but mighty. The thalamus acts as the brain's relay station, directing sensory signals to the right parts of the brain. It ensures that information gets to where it needs to go. Meanwhile, the hypothalamus is like the brain's thermostat, regulating things like hunger, thirst, and body temperature. It's the ultimate multitasker, keeping everything in balance. So there you have it, folks. Your brain is a complex and fascinating organ. Your brain is a powerhouse of different parts, each with its unique role, working together to make you the incredible person you are. It's a symphony of functions, all harmonizing to create your experiences. Next time, when you're acing that test or pulling off a perfect skateboard trick, remember the incredible teamwork happening inside your head. Remember, it's all thanks to your brain's amazing teamwork. Every part plays a role in your success. If you enjoyed this breakdown of your brain, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. We have so much more to explore together. Until next time, keep thinking, keep exploring, and keep being awesome. Bye. Stay curious and keep learning.